Okay, here we go. We're gonna do a little unboxing with some KC HiLites roof rack and Gravity 6 Pro light bar. See how this goes. Down here we've got the boxes. Boom, look at that. Gravity Pro 6 light bar, KC HiLites. And it's fragile, as my friend Nick pointed out. All right, 3 boxes. We've got, boom, lights, rack, area lights. Now we're gonna try and install this stuff and see how it goes.
Okay, box number 1.
Oh yeah. So that's gonna be fun.
Appears to have all the built-in wiring and comes with a nice little hardware kit including torque security bolts, which is nice.
Those are cool.
Interesting to open.
It's fragile.
It is fragile, as it says. Pocket knife versus staples. So, bag foam, holding everything together.
Package pretty good. Oh, they got the yellow ones. I may change those out to black, pure black.
Or the white ones would work well. They'll be fine.
All right, now we're opening up the rack action.
Yeah.
This will be good. This is the M series rack that will mount and serve as another place to store equipment and also hold the light bar, which is obviously the most important thing, is to hold the light bar.
As you do.
Okay, so we got to put this together. That'll be a little project. This is a little hint as to what this might look like. Okay, doing the KC HiLites rack with this thing. And yeah, it said no drill on the website, but you do have to drill, so that's the
holes.
thing. That's the thing. Epic. Light bar test starts now. Boom. That's some light. That worked out. Now we have to mount them. A little bit of root tape here while we're taking measurements. We've taped off the roof. We're marking our spots. We're gonna drill soon. Ugh. But it's gonna be cool because it looks pretty awesome. So KC HiLites rack, M Rack with the Gravity Pro 6 bar there. This is awesome. Okay. It's really rainy out, so we kind of had to move into the garage. But we're making it work out. We actually had to air the tires down so we could fit.
All right, here we go.
Oh boy.
I've already set my dimple hole, so this is just a pilot. And drilling into the roof of a 2018 Raptor. See, that wasn't so painful. Forgot how burly roof nuts are. Come on, baby. Show me some love. There we go.
And we have a rib nut installed.
One of 12.
Obviously we did it. Rack installed. KC HiLites, super bright. The Gravity 6 up front. Area lights on the side of the rack. Let's go take a closer look. my neighbors. Okay, from up here, we got the rack going. We'll be able to store a lot of stuff up here on road trips and camping. Be great. I put a rooftop tent on over the bed on another rack that's not mounted yet, but this gives me more space to put stuff. We installed the junction box that we will later paint, but that allows us to turn the area lights on via left or right, so they don't all come on at once. I think it's just a little more control, which is cool.